Yep. Tour.
Zeke, no, Zeke's not here anymore. He got like $100. All of our cores, Pennsylvania poplar wood, get it all right down the road. And then we have all of our skis, everything that comes out, everything that gets CNC'd out.
It smells yummy.
Well, it got 17 saw blades on it. So instead of cutting them out individually, taking like 3-4 hours doing it, bang, 17 sidewalls.
What are you supposed to do with that?
That's just a filtration for the saws.
Oh, okay.
Everything, all the sawdust.
What? They don't quite look like the finished product. That's a lot of snowboard racks.
We did this, we teamed up with Sheets and organization called Shred PA, and we're doing 160 skis and snowboards for youth kids.
Nice.
And they'll be able to snowboard and ski for free. And now it's all custom.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
I smell young.
Sounds like even. Let's go, man. Jose. Elliot.
Hey, I'm Elliot.
Go, man.
What up?
This is AJ. He controls all of our sublimation and graphics. You want to give him a little rundown?
Yeah, so basically we got clear top and white top. White top's a photo finish basically, and clear top is straight to the wood core so you can see everything. Same thing with our bases. White base, clear base. Clear base you can see it's like a core, and basically what sublimation is the process of going from a solid, skipping the liquid state straight to a gas state. So it sucks into the cores of the plastic, so it's really ingrained into there, and then back to a solid state.
Is it like a snowboard mold or something?
No, in here? No. This is just the graphics.
Just graphic.
So you got your wood core over there, then you got your graphics department.
Okay.
And then next we're going to be going to plastics, and that's where the shape of the snowboard happens when you put the metal edge on.
Okay.
Which I'll show you guys
So
next.
weird to see a snowboard that's not complete.
Yeah, probably about maybe
It's not.
2,000 steps into building a snowboard.
2,000 steps?
Yeah.
Damn, your guy, huh? I was just wondering about that. It even feels like kind of warm, yeah?
Yeah, you go up to 300 degrees, all the way to 300 to 250, and leave it for different amount of time, basically.
He's gonna need it over there.
Yeah, we're gonna need that.
Yeah, because you're flying it out.
Yeah.
This design will go on the snowboard?
Yeah, this is
That's what actually hits the snow.
Yeah.
That's the part that hits the snow?
Yeah. Through a series of
Wow.
processes.
That's heavy.
And then it cools like that, and then it can cool flats. There's real no transformation in the top sheet.
Okay.
You know, it just goes onto the lamp just like that. But the base, after it comes out, real rubbery. Now it's just, that's clear. And then it gets routed out with all our templates that we have right here. All these different sizes. That's our freestyle, and then we also have a Mach 33, which our directional that was kind of like the Fly. Yeah, it was just directional with the rounded back. Yeah, well now we took away that directional point, and it's rounded and it's got a butter pad on it. That's the top sheet of the new
This one?
Yeah, of the hybrid camera. It's a hand bent metal edge. And you see there's no gaps on it. Yeah. You know, and I put that all on by hand. You get kind of like shape to it with this hand bender over here, and then I just put it on here, and I use these handmade tools. Hand kind of rigged, but
I've
they're
used these for like pulling out nails and things.
They're to shape for whatever we need. Okay. Like that one's more for like this. This one's for our hardboards. They have like that, like kind of potato shape. Yeah. And then they use and we like to do contests to see like if you can get all these off. Like no. Like if you can get them all off like this. Like I can only do 3. Oh man.
One hand? Oh,
there it is. You're hired. the base, your fiberglass, your core, some more fiberglass, and then your epoxy, and then your top sheet. Yeah. So the epoxy is very brittle and very, you know, clothy, and then you have your resin and epoxy, and that's very liquidy. But the two of them together create the little roundness. Everything's made of fiberglass. Yeah. So the typical cure time for epoxy and resin is 24 hours, but with these presses are actually heated with recycled water that go right back into the tank. So it's constantly cycling, so we're not wasting any water, and that knocks it down to 1 hour. So we're pulling boards out there every hour.
That's a big difference.
Yeah.
Like from 24 hours to an hour.
Yeah, it's wild.
What up, what up? I'm Elliot.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Last year's Pioneer was a pilot, but 54 wide dual hybrid camera, freestyle. You can touch it, yeah, it's hot.
Wow.
Comes out at press, just like this. And then you get your kind of like, you cut it off right here, and you're basically cutting it out blind, like this. And you're just cutting it by the feel. Squish, it's like a snowboard sandwich.
Snowboards.
Oh, that's a new one then.
This gets really hot, and then you kind of like roll the board over it, and then it gets all over it, and then you take an iron and spread it around. Takes it on pretty good.
Cannonball the like button.